In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button hover effect in Figma. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable prototype where your button changes appearance when someone hovers over it, just like a real website. First, open the Figma website and head into the file where you want to work. If you're starting fresh, that's great too. The idea is simple. We'll use two frames to represent two states of the same screen, one for the default button and one for the hover state. This lets us simulate the hover behavior in prototype mode. Create your first frame and design your button the way you want it to look by default. Now duplicate that frame so you have two versions side by side. Think of them as default and hover. It's a good idea to rename your frame so you don't lose track. On the second frame, we'll change the button's visual to represent the hover state. Usually, a different fill color works well. Select the button on that second frame. On the right-hand panel, find the Fill section. Click the color swatch and choose the hover color you want. You can keep it simple with a slightly darker shade or go brighter for more emphasis. If your button also has text or a stroke, you can tweak those colors too, but focus on the fill to clearly signal the hover. Next, switch to prototype mode using the Prototype tab on the right. You'll see a small handle or plus icon on your first frame. Click that plus icon and drag a connection to the second frame. This tells Figma what should happen when the interaction occurs. A settings panel will appear. Set the trigger to while hovering so the change happens as soon as the cursor is over the target. For the action, navigate to the second frame works perfectly. If you want a smoother transition, choose Smart Animate and a short duration, like 150-200 milliseconds. If you only want the hover to trigger when the cursor is over the button, make sure you start the connection from the button layer rather than the frame. Finally, click Preview or Present to test. Hover over the area you targeted and you should see the button switch to the hover version on the second frame. Move off it and it returns to normal. That's your hover effect, ready to share with teammates or stakeholders.